In this quick video, I'll show you how to change mouse cursor on Windows 11. So to change it, firstly we need to go to the search bar and then search your mouse settings. You can simply search here and after that click on mouse settings, and then you can simply adjust all the settings of your mouse from here. But we want to change our mouse pointer. For that we need to click on mouse pointer settings. After that you can see different types of cursor are here. Simply we can pick this white cursor, then here is a black cursor which is opposite of this, and then we can simply see this is inverted cursor which is black but it can be transparent in some portion. And also you can use your custom color cursor from here. You can simply choose any color from here. If you don't like any of these colors, then you can simply create your own color. You can simply adjust these settings according to you. And for additional settings, you can simply adjust the size of cursor from here. You can make it as big as this and as low as this. So this is how you can change the color of your cursor. But if you don't like any of these options, then you can simply go back to the simply search mouse settings, and then this time select additional mouse settings instead of mouse pointer settings. We just need to click here and then we can simply go to pointer setting, and after that we can simply change the cursor. From here we can simply use any of these cursor. We just need to hit apply. To apply this cursor, you can see multiple types of cursors are here, but if you want to use your own version, then you can simply import it here. For that we just need to click on browse and then you can simply choose any cursor. But for instance I will simply choose this cursor, and after I hit apply you can see my cursor has been changed. So these are the ways you can change your cursor in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.